Now let's go back to how I resolved my 2013 scaled cake production challenge. When my customer called me to make for her 250 loaf cakes using her great aunt's recipe, I had 3 problems to overcome. Let me take you through them one by one. First challenge to overcome is, how do I scale this recipe without leftover batter in the most efficient way? How much will it cost me to produce 250 loaf cakes for this client? And how much should I charge this client? Follow me carefully in the next tutorial. These templates and Excel sheets I'm going to be sharing with you are incredibly powerful as you allow them help you begin to automate your startup business with precision in calculating recipes and their costs.